got me Baingan Bharta. Shout out to DoorDash for all the motivation. Her channel just got monetized. Her subscribers skyrocketed. DoorDash is all about staying true to herself and to sticking to what she loves. That's exactly why today I'm stepping out of my comfort zone to bring you an Indian classic, Baingan Bharta.
Indian Bharta is a classic Indian dish made from roasted and mashed eggplant, mixed with spices and ingredients like tomato, onions, garlic, and green chilies. The eggplant is cooked with a blend of spices which commonly include coriander, turmeric, and Garam Masala. Baingan Bharta is a fantastic example of Indian home cooking. I tried it with a tortilla and a lettuce wrap. I love them both.
I tried it and I liked it. I want to make cooking at home easy
For more
you.
recipes you will love, go to bellalafay.com.